Your laundry has never smelled this good. The scent will last for days, even a week after taking clothes out of the closet. All you need are a few simple ingredients. Grab a bowl or a small container. Choose a fabric softener with a scent you love. Pour 3 measures into the container. Then add the same amount of water, 3 more measures. Mix the solution thoroughly. Now prepare some soft cloths. For this amount of liquid, take 2 or 3. Cut one in half. Do the same with the second cloth. Place all the cloths in the container, ensuring they're fully soaked. These cloths can be stored for several days. They're perfect for tossing into the washing machine. Add your usual fabric softener to the detergent drawer. During the wash cycle, the clothes will absorb the beautiful scent, and rinsing will only enhance it. These cloths also work great in the dryer. Throw one in with your laundry, and your clothes will smell better than ever. Just load the wet laundry as usual and toss in a soaked cloth. After use, return them to the container, ready for the next wash.